Ding dong.
Yo, I'm kind of hungry. Do you guys have snacks?
What? Why are you so grumpy? Oh no. Yeah? What do you need? So what do you want?
Dude, why do you have your Odyssey out? Oh!
Pick up. Alright, my girl. Damn. See what she did to me? Who's the meanest kitty of all? Why are you so mean? Kitty. Kitty, be a nice kitty. Why you gotta be like that? 아?
拍抖音要大胆，不要怕自己长得丑，不要怕自己年龄大，没有关系，这是抖音平台给我们的权利，我们开心就好，拍出生活好状态。
So you must go.
He was married at the time of the murders of Nikki and Trudy Thompson. Eventually, he and his wife of that time divorced.
Peanut, you used to be our good kid. Why are you our problem cat now? You should get down. Thank you.
干嘛来着啊？
Oh.
Vai pular da pia lá pra cima, né? Vai. Olha.
Do we really need to be pooping 3 times a day, one of which being immediately after I clean the litter box?
Call now to speak directly to an attorney.
Да, Моги, мама. Требуй, ладно, полади.
Lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Штурмовик, блядь. Де твій автомат, блядь, братан? Ти на позиції, блядь. Що ти на мене пав?
Hey, Lily, do the slinky. Come on. Come on.
Сладенький такой. Такой сладенький. Да.
Let me see. I'm just looking. Are you crying? Are you serious right now? I'm just looking. It's okay.
Di quella zazzola di tua figlia al governo! Di quella bastarda di figlia al governo che c'è per Milano!
Mama told me not to, I did it anyway, misbehaving. Daddy said don't, but I said...
What?
Why would they make you president?
Well, maybe it's because I can recite all 50 states in a quarter of a second.
Hey, Meow. Meowie. Tell me how you really... Whoa!
No, bitch, don't do that. I said no, bitch. muy fuerte.
Hot? Is that why you're laying on the kitchen tile? You're so...
Это une tache là. Pistache. Это une tache là.
Guys, check out my cat. I think there's something wrong with her though. She's been making like weird sounds. Like, come on, let's go.
Meow! It's the second I get
Oh my god, are you okay? Oh my god, are you okay?
Yeah. Pia! What the heck?
Oh my god.
T'es gonflé, hein?
Get the back, don't touch me, bitch.
Hi, baby.
Come on, bear. Come on, bear.
Theodore, where's Chippy? Fifi, where's Chip?
Tipo uma playlist, só que sempre tem playlists que eu não gosto muito. E aí, então eu decidi fazer.
How, excuse me, have you got shit there? How have you shit? Sideways.
Everybody's so creative. See how that looks like we probably wasn't supposed to do that? But we did. There's no other reason you would do it that way.
No quedo en México sin hambre, Claudia. Mira este hijo de perra.
There's a fairly large spider on my cat's head.
I really want some miso soup.
Milk and cereal, and an impossible to clean onion egg. Plus, it rinses clean every time. For hard surfaces like tile, it's the...
So good and tasty. Sorry. I'm sorry.
Would you rather have this or a Furry?
Hello. 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 Where's your ball? Hello. Hello. Safada.
Get out. Yes, get out. No, you cannot stay in there. Out.
Окружным Манхэттена и офисом федерального прокурора, чтобы в дальнейшем предъявить обвинение в подделке документов и отмывании денег на местном и федеральном уровне. Они могут решить, что это не просто...
Що ти приніс? Куди несеш в хату? Ти що? Покажи. Господи!
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Mr. Tan, you're so cute. Good jumping, buddy.
Oh, yes. Louis? Oh, no. Louis, stop.
Tengo muerto.